How to join a group in Line. In this video, I'll walk you through how to join a group in the Line app, whether you have been invited or you are joining via a group link or a QR code. Let's get started. First, open the Line app on your phone. Now there are different ways you can join a group. You can join from the invitation. If someone adds you directly, you will get a notification or message inviting you to a group. Simply tap the invite, then tap join, and you will be added to the group right away. Now you can also join from the group link. Like if you receive a group link, you will receive it right in the chat right here. If someone sent you a group link, you will see it right here like this, and just tap on the link. It will automatically open in Line and show the group details, and you can just tap and join at the bottom and you are in. The next thing is you can join to the QR code. If someone sends you a QR code, just open the Line and go to the home tab, then tap on add friends icon, and you can see QR code right here. Okay, tap on QR code and just scan QR code from your camera, or you can just scan from photos right here. Once you scan it, the group will appear, and tap on join to enter, and that's it. Once you have joined, you can send messages, share media, and chat with everyone in the group. If you ever want to leave a group later, you can just do that easily. We'll cover that in another video. So if this video helped you out, don't forget to like, subscribe, and click the bell icon for more useful tech tips. Thank you for watching.